Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can add new layers to your projects in Photopea. So let's get right into it. So basically guys, there are two different ways how we can achieve that. The first option would be to simply click on that icon here in the very bottom right corner of new layer. As you can see, if I click on it, it is going to add a new layer to my list of layers here. So let me just delete it for demonstration purposes. And the second option would be, guys, to simply add a new item or object to your project. For instance, let's say a text box. So to click on the T or select the T from that toolbar here to the left and simply enter or add your text box to your image or project here. Type in your text and that is going to add a new layer automatically. You can do the same with any other type of items. For example, add a graphic, image, photo, or a rectangle or circle. So let me add a rectangle really quickly. And there you go. As you can see here to the right in the list of the layers, this has added a new layer automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.